how's it going? So what we're going to do is basically a couple easy steps on how to fertilize your lawn, and it's very simple. The number one thing you want to do is understand how your seeder works. You want to understand what the spread pattern is going to be like, kind of mess with the notches a little bit and see how it's going to play. Once you do that, you want to go around the edge of wherever you're going to fertilize and make sure that your fertilization is going all the way to the edge. So don't start at the edge, be a couple feet in or however far your spread pattern is. Other than that, you just want to make sure you have a consistent walk speed and try to be pretty fast. That way it's going to spread out evenly and it's going to spread out pretty far. Other than that, you just want to go back and forth, and whenever you pass a certain place, you want to come back and make sure that your spread hits the tire marks or the wheel marks of where you just were last. And as always, make sure you wear some gloves, some eye protection, and don't forget to water your lawn. Try to do it within the first 24 hours. My suggestion, just do it right away. And it's pretty much that simple. Now you can see I have a basic seeder here, nothing super fancy. I'm just your basic weekend warrior, and you probably are too. So that's why I wanted to give you this quick rundown on how to fertilize your lawn. Hopefully it works for you guys. SK Lifestyle here. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.